Hi guys, it's Jasmine Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a braid out using Kurlee Belle hair products. So first, I'm going to go in with my Kurlee Belle leave-in conditioner, and this leave-in conditioner is for all hair types. And it provides lots of slip and moisture that detangles and softens your curls, hibiscus that penetrates the cuticle to maintain acid balance, aloe vera that soothes and moisturizes dry damaged hair, and honey that hydrates and helps the hair to retain moisture. And as you guys can see, I'm now going in with the Kurlee Belle hair oil, and this hair oil is formulated with castor oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil. And on the back of the bottle, it also says that you can submerge this bottle of oil in hot water for 5 minutes and apply a generous amount to dry hair, and you can massage it onto your scalp from root to tip, cover it with a plastic cap and leave on for 5 to 15 minutes, and then shampoo as usual. So I am really impressed with the results. My hair is fluffy, it's very lightweight, but it's still full. And for this to be first day hair, I am very impressed with the results. So next, I'm going to be going in with my Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oils Edge Control.